Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the light mode or dark mode in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. And here it opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we just have to swipe to the right. And then in the next to our name, we find this little sun icon. If we tap on that, it's going to turn to light mode. And if we tap the moon icon, it turns to dark mode. And it has this little cool animation. We can just easily switch the modes like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.